Hi, my name is Florence Bowen. I am the osteopathic manual practitioner here at Proactive Pelvic Health. When I am not in the clinic, I'm often found in the studio teaching pre and postnatal movement or working one-on-one with clients to help with recovery postpartum. Typically at 6 weeks postpartum, you go to visit your family physician or your midwife and you're cleared for exercise or normal activity. Now, that can be extremely overwhelming for women or for people who don't know really where to start with exercise postpartum. That's one of the most common questions I get after class or before class is how do you know or when do you know you're ready to introduce a certain movement back into your daily routine? So what I typically say is start to introduce a movement and look out for the 4 P's. So the 4 P's are pain. Do you notice any pain during the movement? Maybe that's pain through the low back, the pelvis, or the pelvic girdle region. Do you notice any pressure? That can be pressure outwards through the abdominal wall or pressure downwards, maybe into the rectum and the bladder region. Do you notice any popping or bulging? So popping being, do you notice any popping through the abdominal wall, which could indicate a diastasis rectus abdominis or a DRA? And then finally, are you able to hold your pee? So the last one is pee. Do you notice any pee leakage or urgency to pee? Any of those 4 P's popping up or arising while you're exercising may be an indication that you're not quite ready yet for that movement.